Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example. You can try to force restart it just by pressing, let me show it to you, the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So this is the combination of keys which is usually used for the screenshot. However, instead of just pressing them, we will press and hold until we'll see the menu, and after that the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. And now we've got this restart option or power off option, but let's ignore it and keep pressing the buttons. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. And I prefer to keep pressing the buttons until I'll see the developer's logo. We can just release the volume down button and leave only the power button. Basically, if you will see the developer's logo, you can release the buttons, and now your device will be automatically powered on again. So this is how to force restart this Samsung device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.